What is going on, guys? Today we are going to be working on this bicycle. Steven, tell them about your new ride.
You know, it's just a, what is this, 12-inch Hot Wheels. This thing's fast.
I'm just kidding, though. Today, we're doing some stuff to the RX-8, baby.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. It's still the F-150, but today, Steven, tell them what you're going to do to these tail lights.
We are going to remove the chrome from the inside of the housing. Hopefully.
Hopefully it don't turn out like the grill.
Like the grill, and then I'll have to buy new taillights.
But then I can just title what not to do to your taillights. So anyways, guys, let's get them off. Let's get them soaking. Let's see if we can get the chrome off these bad boys. All right, Steven, for the viewers at home, how do these taillights come out?
All right, these taillights come out pretty simple. It's just 2 screws on both sides. On the inside here, it's just gonna be 8mm. Just take these 2 out, and the taillight pulls out. It's gonna be the same way on this side. I might have to pop my lift gate shock out of the way. Looks like it passes right over it, but that's easy enough.
Y'all ain't seen that video, I'll link it in the card right here.
So let's get those out of here, and then pop the bulbs out. And I'll show you what I'm going to use to get the chrome out of the inside. Maybe.
Hey, Steven. Easy or Al's going to think you can't do anything. Shout out to our boy Al. Al, if you're watching it, baby, we're rough. Go ahead, comment down below. We understand. Ooh. Dang, maybe Al was right.
We got her. Nothing broken.
Nothing broke, Al. See? You worried for nothing, Al.
She's just tight. She needs to be persuaded.
Sometimes you just got to put a little force.
So, yes, but be careful. You can break them. These 2 little pins are just in here, nice and tight like. So, it just pops out. 1 down. There we go.
At least you ain't got to worry about it coming off.
This side came off a little easier. Bam. All right, now that you got those off, now to fill it with some degreaser.
Well, let's just go fill them up then. We got your boy 270 photos in the house. Corey Crow.
All right, so we got those over here. This is, I've never done this before, so it's all trial and error right now. But what I've found on the forum, a couple guys have used Zep degreaser to strip the inside of these taillights, and it gives it almost like a fog look, or like a tinted look from far away, because the reflective chrome is all eaten off the inside. So, but I'm gonna have to figure out how to take that, pour in these holes, fill it up, and still get all of it. So it's not gonna like, yeah, I don't know, we'll figure it out. Let's just get to work, I guess.
We got some Zep.
Industrial purple degreaser.
Purple.
Concentrate.
Don't get green, don't get red, get purple.
Oh yeah, it works perfect. So let's set up the other side.
Yeah, Corey, we don't need another one. He'll do it just like that. Fill those poppies up.
Probably should have got 2 gallons of this. Oh, 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 too much, too much, too much. I don't know how long I'm gonna let this sit. Didn't really say. I guess we'll trial by fire, find out along the way. But once you let this sit, you're supposed to be, this will start eating the chrome off the inside. Then you'll dump out all the degreaser and just rinse it out with water. Just rinse it out real good. And then dry them out before you put them back on the truck so there's not moisture in there with the tail lights. So, just be back in a few. It's been about, I don't know, 5-10 minutes now. I was just gonna show the camera, or you guys, what this is actually doing. If you wanna bring a camera in here. You can see along this line here where it's black, this degreaser is actually, that's the degreaser actually eating the chrome. So it looks like it won't take too long to actually, terribly long to eat everything off the inside. But with the way I've got it set, it only comes up to here. So I'm gonna have to, once I feel like it's adequate time, I'll have to flip it to where I get some degreaser up in here to eat all this stuff away. But it's doing its job, doing what I want it.
Yeah, like on the camera, this kind of looks like black tape, and it's not. That's the degreaser itself inside the tail light, so it's pretty neat.
All right, so it's been about 30 minutes. I'm kind of curious to see how much chrome it's eaten off. So we got an extra bucket here. I didn't buy a bunch of extra degreaser, so I'm trying to salvage some of it. I'm going to empty this into here, kind of see how much chrome's been eaten off. And then obviously I'm going to have to reposition. If it has ate most of it, then I can just reposition it to where it'll get up here on the edge and finish eating the rest of the chrome off. But I guess let's see what it's done. So let's take this. Oh yeah. So that's actually done a lot.
Oh wow.
So, well, yeah, some of the degreaser already moved over here. But you can see where the line was, clearly.
That's crazy.
And then down there where the socket is, you can kind of see where it hasn't ate all the chrome off right where the socket was. So, now I'm just going to have to put a little bit back in here, kind of position it so it eats the rest of this off. And then, as you can tell here, it kind of looks like I've smoked out the lens, but it's really just the chrome from the inside is gone. So
that's really cool.
So let's put some more degreaser in here and get this going. I'll probably do the same thing to the other one here off camera. Go ahead and dump it out, see how much it's ate, and try to reposition it to get rest of it off. Good to go? You filming? All right, we're outside. As you can see, tail light. I got as much of the degreaser out as I can. We're going to rinse it out with a garden hose, try to get all the degreaser out, and then you'll want to dry them out. We might use a heat gun to help dry them out completely, as I'm only here for tonight. If not, once I get home, I can take them back apart or take them back out and finish drying them out later. But obviously, we're going to want to get all the degreaser out of it, all the moisture. As you can see, housing's all black inside. Might be hard for this to pick up, but we'll get some after clips once I get it on the truck, clean it all, wiped down, cleaned up. So let's get to rinsing this thing out. Dexter takeoff running.
Thought you was gonna get him. He thought you was gonna give him the California hookup.
That actually looks sick as. I don't know if you're filming right now, but
Oh, I am filming.
that looks sick.
It looks just like you tinted.
Yeah, it looks like they're tinted.
That's gonna be freaking awesome. One of my experiments actually works out, guys.
Yes.
It's not going to end up like the grill.
Yes.
So now, I got all the degreaser out that I can tell. Now it's just going to be drying these suckers out, get all the moisture out of the inside, and then getting them on the truck so we can see the final product. We're back. I am drying out my tail lights. So I rinsed all the stuff out of them. And it's got some water spots in it. Imagine that. Anyway, still got some water. I've been sticking a rag in there, wiping, like holding it upside down with the rag, running water. If it was summertime, I'd probably just set these outside in the sun, let them bake for a while, dry out really good. But
it's 20 degrees outside.
Yeah, it's freezing outside, so I can't do that. So I'm using a heat gun, and like I said, a rag. Just stick through the old holes and rolling it around until all the water's out. This is taking, I don't know, off and on messing with it for how long now? 30 minutes or so?
Yeah.
The other lens, I still have some chrome down here in the corner that's not really wanting to come out. It might end up just being left. We'll see later on if it, because I'm letting it soak, so I ain't gonna waste, well, yeah, I think it's still sitting there. I don't know if you can even see it in the fluid itself, but it's just that little corner doesn't want to get rid of all the chrome. So I guess you want to go ahead and test fit this so everybody can see it on there? Or?
I almost wish we did it better before and after because I didn't realize how different they were going to look so fast.
Right, exactly. I honestly wasn't expecting it to just strip it like that. Like that industrial Zep cleaner, which I actually threw down.
Sorry guys, usually we do great before and afters, but I didn't realize this was going to work this well, so you'll just kind of have to get a visual, go back and look at some of the older videos maybe.
And if you have the truck, you can obviously see how, but I can't do a side-by-side because I don't have another F-150.
Well, or you can rewind back in this video where we was first taking the taillights out. I mean, it's a huge difference.
Yeah, but it literally ate all the chrome on the inside. So how this is black, that's how black it is on the inside. And it's just a red lens over it. So let's go ahead and just throw some bulbs in it, throw some light on this and see what it, well, the sun isn't being our friend right now.
Yeah.
Oh. Ow. The bulbs are back in. Nothing's broken yet.
Dang.
Oh.
It's pretty tough.
Tail lights on?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So you can tell that it's a little dim. I'm thinking, one thing I haven't mentioned yet is I'm probably going to upgrade to LED bulbs because I am taking away some of the reflective material on the inside. So I want something a little brighter. But let's go ahead and
hit the brake lights. Let's see. Nah, it's still super bright.
Oh yeah, it's still bright, but I don't know. And reverse.
Yeah.
LED. Another thing I want to look into with this same process is
I was just about to ask about the
third brake light. I want to see if I can't take that out and do this same process to that and get that same look on the whole back of the truck.
Go follow Corey at 270 Photos, at _ 270 Photos.
There you go.
Guess what? I said screw it, and we're just taking it off anyway. Let's see if we can do it while we're at it. I already got the stuff to do it, so. What is the OnlyFans? Mr. Beast and the Bald, or Bald and Mr. Beast?
Mr. Clean and the Beast.
Oh, Mr. Clean and the Beast. What is Mr. Bald and the Beast?
Nah, oh, you Mr. Clean.
Okay, so this isn't fully enclosed. This is going to be interesting. I actually might be able to just submerge this in the bucket. I'll just say we dunk it.
dunk it.
What do you think?
Yeah, let's send it.
Just send it.
Just enough.
All right, so we ran into one obvious problem real quick. Not big enough. So, if you can see where the chrome is on this thing, it's on these back little plates, and it's all just molded. It's all molded one piece. So, I'm just gonna lay it down inside here, dump that in here, and hopefully eat all that chrome off.
Nice.
Slow motion pour.
A slow motion move for me.
Ooh, just enough. Look at that. All right, so yeah, we just added some more content. What's up? All right, so we let this soak. We went inside, chatted for a while, came back out, pulled it out of the degreaser, and it done wonders. It done exactly what I wanted. So just like the taillight assembly, it took all the chrome off the plastic. So I will have a cohesive look on the back side of the truck.
Sweet.
So now it's just a matter of drying this out like I had to do the tail lights. Still got that other tail light to clean. It did finally come all the way. All this chrome that was down here in the corner did come out. And I just had to set it a certain way so the degreaser was right on it. And like I said, we were inside for a while talking, so it had some time to soak. So now it's just cleaning everything up and getting it all back together so y'all can see the final product.
Those turned out super sick.
Bro, I love it. I love it. It's actually one of the cheaper projects that turned out really good. So, outside of just making sure you get all the chrome out, it was pretty straightforward, pretty easy. And I think it turned out great.
It did turn out awesome.
And the third brake light, it doesn't look as dark as that, but it is, all the chrome came off on the inside, so it looks, I'm glad I decided to go ahead and do it while I had the stuff.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video of us dechroming the tail lights. Like I said, if you want to do this, just use that cleaner we used, Zeb, the purple Zeb.
Yeah, hold on, I got it right here.
Hang on. So you want to dig it out of the trash for y'all. I'll link it down in the description box below as well, but
I got it at Menards. It was like $10 for this,
So if y'all want to do that, you've seen how easy it was to do. Like I said, this was one of the more cheaper and easier projects we have done to the F-150 so far, and probably ever. But anyways, guys, make sure you're following us on Instagram. Make sure you're subscribed. Turn the bell on so you get all the notifications every time we upload. A lot more content is coming here in 2021. Y'all have a good one. All right, Steven, take them out.
Are you gonna start your part?